Are you ready to revolutionize your TV watching experience with Guru IPTV? In this guide, we'll show you exactly how to set it up and make the most of its amazing features. First, visit the Guru IPTV website for subscription options. They have plans starting as low as $9, which is incredible value for over 24,000 live channels and 130,000 on-demand movies. Now, once you've chosen a plan, download the Guru IPTV app on your preferred device. It's available on Android, iOS, and even smart TVs. Next, open the app and log in using the credentials you received after subscribing.
I am waiting for a bus at the end of the night on the street lamp, bent face flamed by the light. I'm going away. I'm going away. I'm going away. And the sun gonna shine on a brand new day. Must be somewhere welcome me into the fold. Blooming flowers, as much as I can hold. I'm gone away. I'm gone away. I'm gone away. And the sun gonna shine on a brand new day for me. A brand new day for love. Brand new day.
If you face any issues, Guru IPTV offers customer support at 647-943-1999. It's always good to have that number handy for troubleshooting. After logging in, you'll see a user-friendly interface. Take a moment to explore the layout. You can filter channels by category, search for specific content, and even save your favorite channels for quick access. Now let's talk about content quality. Guru IPTV supports HD and 4K streams, making your viewing experience top-notch. To adjust the quality settings, navigate to the Settings menu.
I am waiting for a bus at the end of the night on the street lamp, bent face flamed by the light. I'm going away. I'm gone away. I'm gone away. And the sun gonna shine on a brand new day. Must be somewhere welcome me into the fold. Blooming flowers, as much as I can hold. I'm gone away. I'm gone away. I'm gone away. And the sun gonna shine on a brand new day for me. A brand new day for love. Brand new day.
Here you can select your preferred stream quality. Remember to check your internet connection speed. A stable connection above 10 megabits per second is recommended for 4K streaming. Finally, don't forget to explore the VOD library. With over 120,000 movies and series at your fingertips, there's something for everyone. If you want the best IPTV provider around, remember to check out the 2TV store for the best deals. It's the go-to platform for IPTV subscriptions. So, dive into the world of Guru IPTV and elevate your streaming today.